Hello guys, my name is Min. I'm from Korea and I'm the Cornerstone student in the event management course. I'm graduate now. Why I choose the Cornerstone? Because I want to get the event management course. My agency told me that only Cornerstone has the event management course, so I choose here. Especially for the event management course, I can learn about the event A to Z. And my teacher, Micah, was so nice. He teach us for everything. We know about how to work for the food and beverage and how to organize the event and how to finish the event. And every student in my class was so nice. Everyone is really nice and kind for me. So for me, the biggest benefit in Cornerstone is the job fair and hiring event, because I heard that some school doesn't have that one. I really recommend you for the Cornerstone, so welcome!